basil is so good. It's very green and young, so we cut it to cook with our eel. Cut it. Wow, so big eel, everyone. So today I have 4 eel to cook for my dinner, and we cook it with holy basil, everyone. Like this, everyone. Ah. Let's cook with me. Here is our ingredient, everyone, that we will take it to cook with our eel. We have lemongrass, holy basil, castellan, chili, and also galanga. So now we start to cut our ingredients step by step, and then we take it to cook with our eel. Cut our lemongrass, galanga, we cut our castellan to be smaller like this for easy to cook. Chili, add oil, add our garlic, sugar, add some cheese. This is our ingredient. Yes, add it. We cook it until it's so red. Add our soy sauce, and then add our eel. When it's nearly to be already cooked like this, so we add our oyster sauce. Then we add our holy basil for the last, everyone. It smells so good, even though it's not yet already cooked. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow, everyone, it looks like so yummy. So now our eel is already cooked, so we can eat. Wow. It's really spicy and it is so yummy. Oh, it's spicy but yummy. the best everyone. It's really yummy. You can do follow my video from the start until the end. It's easy to cook, everyone. Yummy, yummy. Yeah. Now I think it is time to say goodbye, everyone. So let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.